लोके अस्मिन् द्विविधा निष्ठा पुरा प्रोक्ता मया नघ ज्ञान योगेन सांख्यानाम कर्म योगेन योग्यनाम.
Recognized as an important seat of learning,
A Gurukul devoted to ideals.
a place where future of India is safe.
A place full of synergy and creativity.
Lal Bahadur Shastri Institute of Management and Technology is the institute we're all proud to be part of.
Ladies and gentlemen, we make a humble attempt to present before you a small glimpse of our institute.
Based on the ideals of Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji, one of the greatest leaders of India,
The institute was established in 1996 by Lal Bahadur Shastri Trust for Education and Research, founded by Sri Anil Shastri. The people behind this great institute are
our chairman Sri Anil Shastri Ji, who is admired by us for his foresight and simplicity,
our Vice Chairman Dr. Sanjeev Srivastav, who is an able administrator and a constant source of encouragement for us,
and our director Professor Rajendra Bharti, who apart from being a great professor is also a friend, philosopher and guide.
What soul is to body, core values are to an institute.
Lal Bahadur Shastri Institute of Management and Technology has strong core values which are contained in its
Vision, Center of Excellence in Value-Based Education and Research.
mission, nurturing human talents into proactive professionals.
Motto, Excellence through Perseverance and Simplicity.
LBS IMT has made its presence felt at national and international level.
Students coming from many parts of the country and studying here is an ample testimony to this fact.
The institute has had the distinction of being the only center for conducting international training and development program in Uttar Pradesh. Delegates coming from many parts of the world like
South Africa,
Philippines,
Bangladesh,
Kenya,
Afghanistan,
Nigeria,
Ghana
Laos, etc.
are trained on various management disciplines like human resource.
17 blessed and challenging years and many more years to come. LBS IMT will continue to shine even brighter than today.
LBS IMT has been consistently rated the best among the top 49 business schools of excellence in a recent survey.
LBS IMT students have been ranked best in creativity and teamwork in Uttar Pradesh.
On making comparison in terms of period of existence, LBS IMT continues to be the best institute among the post-1995 established institutes in Uttar Pradesh.
LBS IMT has an academic association with Lal Bahadur Shastri Institute of Management New Delhi, which is one of the top management institute in India.
Such associations are not only limited to the Indian boundaries. The institute also has an academic association with College of Business Administration, Ohio University, Athens, USA.
The institute is preparing to move into the future with an additional campus coming up this year. The institute believes in continuous learning through experiences
That enhance growth.
and learnings that enhance abilities and skills.
At LBS IMT, interaction with dignitaries from various walks of life forms an integral part of the learning process.
The institute has had the privilege of interacting with renowned personalities like
Miss Vinita Bali,
Sri Oscar Fernandez,
Sri Shivraj Patil,
Sri Sunil Dutt,
Sri Narayan Murthy,
Dr. Mantek Singh Aluwalia,
Dr. Sanjay Baru,
Padma Shri Dr. Preetam Singh,
Mr. B.L. Joshi, Governor Uttar Pradesh,
Padma Shri Pankaj Udas,
Mr. P. Dwarkanath,
Mr. Rajiv Dubey,
Dr. Alexander Spakis,
Sri T.V. Rajeshwar, former Governor Uttar Pradesh,
Mr. Sanjeev Goenka,
Mr. Salman Khurshid,
Mr. Mani Shankar Iyer, and many more. The institute attributes its success to the principles of Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji. In remembrance of this great man, the statue of Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji was installed in the serene and idyllic locations of Bareilly Cant. The statue was donated by LBS IMT to the Cantonment Board and was unveiled by the Minister of State for Defence Sri M.M. Pallam Raju along with the former Union Minister Sri Anil Shastri Ji.
to acknowledge and honor the contribution made by professionals from various walks of life. We have instituted the Lal Bahadur Shastri Award for Professional Excellence. The award for 2011 was conferred on Dr. Kiran Bedi.
The other recipients of the award have been Mr. S.Y. Siddiqui and Padma Shri Pankaj Udas.
At LBS IMT, the budding managers of tomorrow are trained by a judicious mix of classroom and non-classroom learnings, which helps in building the right set of attitude, skills and knowledge.
The teaching methodology includes
guest lectures,
group discussions,
syndicate session,
lectures,
role plays,
management games,
corporate interactions,
life projects,
research projects.
movie caselets, etc.
LBS IMT offers postgraduate diploma in management which focuses on futuristic demand, attitude and skills required for the global market.
PGDM, the flagship program of LBS IMT, is recognized by AICTE. The selection process of the program is a rigorous one through CAT, MAT and all other government-approved tests. PGDM at LBS IMT is a 2-year program with 36 papers.
You cannot create experience, you must undergo it. PGDM, the flagship program of the institute, offers dual specializations in the areas of
Marketing,
finance and accounting,
human resource,
international business.
information technology.
Alliance is the association of students of LBS IMT. It gives students a platform where they learn new things and showcase their talent.
Through Alliance, students have been actively organizing and participating in the events like
Seminars,
Symposium,
Management Fest,
games and activities,
Corporate Impression,
blood donation camps,
Plantation.
and many other intellectual and social activities.
Our students have been placed in top-notch companies like
IDBI,
Tata,
JP Group,
ICICI,
City Financial,
Reliance Infocom,
Ceasefire,
Channel Play,
DCM Shriram,
Mafoy,
Cipla,
Nestle,
Standard Chartered Bank,
IBM and many more.
Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji, our guiding light, once said, "My wish and desire is that we should stand as one people and tackle our problems as effectively and as quickly as we can. I have full faith in people. There have been difficult situations. Sometimes those who are called leaders might have failed. They, the people, have not.
We pay homage to our guiding light, Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji, and believe in his values and simplicity.
Thank you.